Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some moisturizers which are super affordable, like below. Most of them are around 2 to 300 rupees. They're dermatologist recommended, great for winters, and I have got 7 moisturizers which will be great for either oily, acne prone or dry or sensitive. All of those skin types I have covered, and you can definitely mix and match out of these, like whichever you want to put in your morning or your evening skincare routine. So let's start. Alright, so let's start with the very first moisturizer, which is for dry and sensitive skin. This one is from the brand Physiogel. It is daily moisture therapy cream for dry and sensitive skin. It is free of all of this fragrance, which is most important thing for us who have sensitive skin, and it is free of colorants, preservatives that they have said. And the beautiful ingredients that I'm going to read about in this one is number one, it is has water, obviously, so it is water based moisturizer. Then after that it has capric triglyceride, which is emollient, so it is going to smoothen out your skin and it's going to keep it hydrated. Then after that it has glycerin in it, which is superstar ingredient. You know, it's a humectant, the one which will draw in the moisture, which will pull out the moisture either from the air or within from your skin and keep it hydrated for longer. And with that it does have squalane, it does have shea butter, so those are occlusives. So if you are having combination to dry skin and very dry skin, your skin is going to love this. And it does even have ceramides in it, which I forgot, I don't know why, but it does have ceramide 3 in it. So if you have compromised your skin barrier and you want to repair it, this will help you in that. And in this one there is one pink one also, which is a calming relief, I think, yeah, I will show you here. You can go with that also. And if you are on the oilier side, you can go with the lotions that they have. It does feel a little bit of, greasy and oily, so using at night time would be a good idea with this one. I love using it at daytime also, a little bit with my matte sunscreen. Gives awesome finish and moisturizes your skin like beautiful moisturizer. So I would highly recommend if you have dry sensitive skin. Now second one I'm going to recommend for the ones who have oily acne prone skin, and that is the one which is from Cipla Excella moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. This is the one which has the main ingredient as niacinamide. Now how much it has, I don't know exactly. If you know that, please comment below. So niacinamide, we all know, I've talked about it many times on my channel, and you know by now that niacinamide is awesome. If you have acne prone skin, it will control your sebum, it will give you brightening effect, it will also help in reducing any acne marks that you might be having. And with that, the other things that it has is, I'm reading from here as I have my notes here. So it has zinc also in it. We all know, even you must have seen in the ordinary one, when you see it has niacinamide plus zinc. Zinc is very good for acne control. With that, it does have copper gluconate also, which is soothing. So both zinc and copper gluconate will help in soothing your skin and good for acne prone skin. So this moisturizer, when you apply it, it will not give you a lot of moisturizing properties. It does not have. So in the winters, if you feel that this is not doing enough of the job to moisturize, you can use it at the daytime with any of the sunscreens like Sun Cross. I think it gels very good with that. Or you can gel it with another any of these moisturizers that I'm going to talk about later. You can definitely layer it up with that if you have like oily but dehydrated skin. The next moisturizer that I'm going to talk about is Emollient, and I know many of you might have heard about it or might be using it already. So this one is for the dry skin types, but I think still the combination skin types can also use it, or depending if you are like one of those whose skin does not get clogged easily and you have like good tough skin, so you can use it. If you talk about the ingredient in this, number one is lecithin, which is emollient, and then after that it has glycerin, so that is a humectant, and then it has squalane also, so that means it does have occlusive. So it is one of the all-in-one kind of moisturizer. The texture is very lightweight. If you compare these two, Physiogel and this one, I would say this one is more on the oilier side, whereas the Emollient is not that much like greasy or oily. It's very lightweight, gets absorbed into your skin nicely, hydrates your skin nicely. So you can try this one if you don't like the sticky feeling, or maybe at the daytime then this can be a good moisturizer with any of your matte sunscreens that you're using, which is drying you out. So you can try Emmeline. The next moisturizer that I have is from the brand Cetaphil. This is like one of the brands that I've always recommended on my channel. Any skin type you have, you can try this. And I know a lot of you already know about it, but this is also a good option, affordable and a very good moisturizer for winters and all skin types. The next moisturizer that I'm going to talk about is for those who feel that I've tried all the moisturizer but nothing stays on my skin and my skin feels very dry still. So you need to have the moisturizer which are more of occlusive types, the ones which won't, let the water from your skin evaporate. So the one that I'm recommending is the Dewy Moist one. This is the moisturizer with paraffin, and I know a lot of people get scared while listening to paraffin, but paraffin is such a good ingredient to be used on your skin because it seals in the moisture into your skin and does not let the water, epidermal water loss. It does even have humectant, that is glycerine in it, so it will make sure that it holds on to the moisture, and number two, it's gonna make sure that whatever you put on your skin, it just stays on there. It does not let anything vaporize. So it is great for those who have super dry skin and they want to fix it by using any moisturizer. So I would highly recommend for those of you who have that kind of super dehydrated or dry skin. Then the next moisturizer that I want to recommend is from the brand Kiko, and this is the baby cream. So what I want to recommend or suggest you is that if you are confused like which moisturizer to go for, or should I go for this or that, one thing is that you close your eyes and you go for any baby creams because they are very moisturizing, they are hydrating, they're free of actives because why would the baby need actives, and they are mostly very gentle for your skin. And you can buy any baby creams, there are so many. Even the Sebamed one is very good, you can try that baby cream. This one from Kiko is very good, this is also super moisturizing, very affordable also. Alright, so the next moisturizer that I want to share with you is the Evian cream. This is only for 64 rupees, but it works beautifully. It has aloe vera in it, it does have vitamin E in it, so this one would be great for those who have oily skin or acne prone skin. You can use it at night time. So these were all the moisturizers that I wanted to share with you. If there are any other moisturizers that you are using and you're loving them, please comment below so that other people can also benefit from them. Even I would like to try them. And if you have any other questions regarding the moisturizers or any suggestions, any feedbacks, please feel free to comment down below. I love reading your comments. Take care, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.